Hi everyone, I just wanted to show folks who are having a little bit of trouble copying and pasting a GIF into their discussion posts how to do that very quickly. First of all, in order to find a GIF, all you have to do is a Google search. For example, I just searched GIFs of cats and up came several. So I'm just going to click on one to make it bigger. There we go. There's a nice little kitty. And so to copy it, I'm going to hover my mouse over the GIF and right-click, like that. And I'm going to go to Copy Image. Okay. Then I'm going to go back to Blackboard. Let's go to... I'm going to go back to our discussion board. And let's see, I'm going to create my new thread here. I'm just going to call it cat GIF. And I'm going to right click and paste will come up. Or actually no, for Blackboard just do a Control V. Sorry about that. And there's the GIF, as you can see. So it's basically just a right click or a Control C, and then when you get into Blackboard, into the discussion forum, just do a Control V and you're done.